Okay, today is January 15, 2014. Let's take a look at the market. The market had another strong day, and a lot of the indexes made a new high, and some of them make an all-time high, such as the S&P 500, well, not the Nasdaq, the transportation, the Dow Jones Transportation, the Russell 2000, the Nasdaq made another multi-year high, but the Dow Jones Industrial failed to make a new high. You can see the chart here. Basically, this is the day that back on the December 31st, it made a new all-time high, and today it not even close to it. It's still, kind of below that. Even this previous peak here back on January the 7th. Okay, so we're still kind of looking at this thing to get back up to this peak here. So right now it's still, although it kind of broke this little bit of a trend line here, right? But the thing is, I'm expecting the Dow Jones to make another new all-time high, purely for the fact that you're looking at the transportation index. The transportation index been hitting a new all-time high, like the Friday before and then the Monday, and now today it made another new all-time high, right? And then we'll look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 kind of eke out a new all-time high by tweeted out by 2 cents. It closed at 1848.38. The last high was 1848.36. And then we look at the Nasdaq 100. The Nasdaq 100 is also made a new high here, a new multi-year high. And then the Russell 2000 also made a new all-time high. So we take a look at some of these ETF, the Dow Jones ETF, the DIA, the diamond. If one expect the diamond to make a new high, then one should also expect this diamond going to make a new high, and which would exceed this. Let me put up my data marker here, so I could see exceed this. What's that? 165.47. Right? And then if we also take a look at the S&P 500, the spider, you can see the spider is already, the previous high was closing high was 169.53. So it was let me see, what is this? Got the wrong number on there. It's 184.69. And today it closed at 184.67. So just a couple penny below that, but the index itself, the cash index itself is a couple penny above that. So you got to watch out on that, because I think this right here is based more on the future. Okay? And then we look at the Q. Right? The Q is also made a new high here at 88.31. And remember a couple of days ago we were talking about that it's going to come up and at least going to attack this 89 and 90 area here. Right? So I wouldn't be surprised to even get up to this 92. Then we also looking at the Russell 2000 ETF IWM. Okay, the IWM again, we're looking at that 117. Okay, possibility of hitting 120. Okay, so and let's go back to the spider. The some of the level that we're looking at is basically this 188, although the near term will be that 186. Okay? And the Dow Jones, the diamond, we're essentially looking at the Dow might get up to that 17,000. So we were talking about maybe a possibility of getting up to this 169. Of course, right now we're basically just kind of monitoring for it to get up to this high, and then possibly come up and take out this 166 level. Then we could monitor it and see what are the possibility or the potential for it to get up over here at 169. Of course, nothing goes straight up. We could be zigzagging its way up, and we might get a little bit of a pullback. But would that be a 10% correction or whatever that everybody's looking at? Who knows? But the market will let us know. Right? So we just trade what is in front of us, and trade what just trade price. Why predict, right? I mean, do what the market tell you to do, and can't go wrong on that too much, except when we get our emotion in it. So Good luck on your trading and have a good day, good evening.